Hi everyone, I'm Priyadarshini Das, currently pursuing BBA in Presidency College. Today I'll share why I like my Presidency College. The campus itself is a motivation full of greenery and silent environment. After coming to this college, my talent were polished as it provides rigorous training, seminar presentation, workshops, internships and many more. I personally improved my communication skills, management skills, and I feel confident about it. It further gives the platform to showcase our talent by participating in various business competitions like group discussion, business etiquette, salesmanship to enhance our corporate skills. The faculty here are top notch. They are expert in their respective fields. They give us a proper direction to grow more by guiding us in every step that we go ahead. All these combined factors has helped me to grow personally and professionally. I truly believe that Presidency College is the best management college. Thank you.